In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract all pages from a PDF in Foxit. Many of us frequently work with PDFs, whether for business, school, or personal projects. At times, you may need to extract pages from these documents for further analysis or to share specific content with someone else. If you're using Foxit, a popular PDF software, the process is straightforward. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open your PDF document in Foxit. This is your starting point. Ensure that the document you want to work with is accessible on your computer, and go ahead and open it using the Foxit application. Once you've got the PDF up and ready, you'll notice a series of tabs running across the top of the screen. This is called the ribbon menu, and it contains a variety of tools and options you'll use for different tasks. Now, what you need to do is locate and click on the Organize tab. It's specifically designed to help you manage the pages within your document. By clicking on it, you're telling the software that you want to make changes to the structure of the PDF pages. Next, focus your attention on the Extract button. This button is pivotal in the process we're outlining today. By clicking on Extract, you're indicating that you want to separate certain pages from the main document. It's a powerful feature and one that gives you a lot of control over how you manage your files. When you click on Extract, a dialog box will appear. This is where you have the chance to specify exactly what you want to do with the pages in your document. For our purposes, look for the option within this dialog box that allows you to extract all pages. This selection is essential if you're looking to create a standalone document that includes every page from the original PDF. After selecting all pages, you'll want to pay attention to how you save the extracted content. The dialog box gives you the option to save all these pages as a single PDF file. Choosing this option keeps all the pages together, maintaining their original order and ensuring ease of use later. It's a particularly handy choice if you're dealing with large documents that need to remain as a cohesive unit. Once you've made this choice, click OK. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully extracted all pages from a PDF using Foxit. This method will save you time and make document management a breeze. Whether for archiving, sharing with colleagues, or any other purpose, knowing how to extract pages efficiently can be a significant asset in your toolkit. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore other tips and tricks that Foxit offers for maximizing your productivity with PDF files. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.